Hello everyone. In this video, we are excited to announce that our company is now supplying high quality SS tanks across the Kerala state. We are introducing high quality stainless steel tanks designed to meet various industrial standards and commercial needs. These tanks are built for durability, efficiency and reliability. Thanks to our distribution network in Kerala, our partnership with local distributors ensures that our tanks are readily available and ensures a seamless supply chain across the state. From Kochi to Thiruvananthapuram, Kozhikode to Malappuram, we have got your SS tank needs covered. We are now closer to you than ever before. Our wide range of tanks accommodates various capacities and configurations, ensuring a perfect fit for your requirements. We also do customized SS tanks for industrial and other applications. So please do contact on the below given numbers for sales and distribution across Kerala state. You can also subscribe to the channel for regular updates on this particular announcement. Thank you for watching.